Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the video. From here let's move to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings with the videos category at the first place in the video mode. At the second position here we have video stabilization option, so by using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also when we go back to the video preview we have one extra way to stabilize our video better. This button here, by just one tap here we can turn on super steady stabilization and another tap to turn it off, so this is really easy. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.